Never miss an order or update again. Here's how to set up TikTok Shop notifications in minutes. So first you're going to log into your TikTok Shop. My recommendation is to click this little bell out icon on your desktop. And this is where you turn on any priority messages. You definitely want to have this on. Obviously, violations, any policies, appeals, right? You can have your orders. So that way you have like a little tab where you can just easily access it. But for the actual notifications, you're going to go here and then you're going to click My Account, Account Settings. And then you're going to go to Communication Preferences. So once you're here, you're able to turn on or turn off different notifications, right? So let's scroll down. We've got orders. Let's say you don't want to have notifications about, some of them you can turn off, some of them you can leave on. Let's scroll down more. Marketing. So as you can see, some of them you can turn completely off. So I can turn these all off and stop receiving certain notifications and keep some notifications turned on, right? I can also add a second account here. So I can add a second account. In order to add a second account, see, I have one account, two accounts. I can get a third email here as well. All I have to do is simply go back to My Account, Account Settings, User Management, and then I can add a user. So if I have a special email and this email I want to have all the notifications sent to, I can add a user and then tell TikTok, this is my new user, and then make them an admin. Once I go back to the notifications panel, the communications preferences panel, their email will also be here and they'll automatically receive notifications. At that point, you can turn on and off all of the notifications for all the other emails and only have one of them turned on. Just note that some notifications you can't turn off for the owner's email because they're important and TikTok wants to make sure. But there are so many different communication preferences in here that you can turn on and off, right? So maybe you don't want notifications about affiliates. You can also have, again, your phone number for some of them at the bottom. So this is pretty much the two areas where you can turn on and turn off notifications so you don't miss anything. And that's it for today's video. If you want more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full TikTok account management service. This is where we're going to be managing your inventory, your affiliates, giving away products, reposting videos, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time growing your business while we're doing all the day-to-day tasks and helping you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.